Cleveland Smith is my name. I would wake up maybe 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I'm going straight to the gym to get my workout on. I tend to go and work harder than anybody else, and then I'll teach my dance class, and after that, I'll go to work my full-time job. As I go to pick something up, I pick it up maybe 20 pounds, and my knees would hurt. I used to walk like I was really bow-legged. I mean, it hurts. I ignored it. But me, all right, if I'm gonna ignore something, I'm a guy. I'm gonna ignore it and put more knee braces on and just go at it and have fun. In my dance tech class, I have to channel out, just get rid of that soreness in my knees out. So I channel all that out of my head. And I'm jumping around, dancing, jumping, didn't care about anything in the world, mainly because I was there for 110% for those girls to have fun only. But not knowing, they didn't know that I had a problem. So that problem was my left knee. But I didn't want to do that anymore.
He's early 50s, teaches Zumba, but he did like sled pulls with 400 and some pounds. He was doing box jumps 6 weeks out from surgery. He never really complains of pain. Even before surgery, he wasn't really complaining of much pain. He just had really terrible knees.
He gave me x-rays and stuff like that. But bad news, your knees are bone on bone. You know, 2 or 3 cortisone shots maybe within 3 or 4 months, something like that. I got that left knee done first by Dr. Lindemeier. 3 to 4 months later, I got my right knee replaced by Essentia Health.
The newest advancement in technology with knee replacements is robotics. And what this does is it allows us to be more accurate and precise in how we put the implants in and how we make our bony resections. It's not that the old way didn't work, it's just this is a newer advancement to allow more specific ways, customized ways to meet patients' needs.
As of now, my knees are fine. I mean, I can walk upstairs without holding on to a rail. I can walk downstairs, I can run downstairs. I mean, my knees are here for a reason. Why not use them? Like I said again, if it wasn't for Essentia Health, man, thumbs up, man.